I gotta work on this thing. I've replaced the pan with one from Raceline. Has a little bit better baffling, but I've been having issues with it leaking constantly, and it's gotten really bad. To give you context as to how bad it's leaking, I have the strip tray under the car. I emptied it out yesterday, and it's not a insignificant leak. And that's how much oil there is today. So it's leaking a not insignificant amount. Yeah, basically the entire underside of the car is coated in oil, which is cool. And I'm definitely still leaking from that screw over here on that side. I'm leaking from the oil drain plug. That's just a torque issue and a sealing washer. But I also appear to be leaking from the back of the pan over here. So just regardless, I'm gonna have to rip the thing off and reseal it. And since I have to rip it off and reseal it, might as well just throw the old pan back on. This will be the fourth time that I'll have taken this pan off to do all that fun stuff. I'm gonna let this go for a couple of hours just to make sure that it drains as much as possible out before I whiz the pan off and then start cleaning up the flange and the underside of the car. The old ATR pan is back on. I did that all off camera because big pain in the ass to film it. Hopefully it's not gonna leak, and if it does, I'm just gonna light this whole fucking thing on fire. This is the Raceline pan that I took off. This is the one that I've been having so many problems getting to seal to the block. Primarily, I'm getting leakage from this particular hole. And I don't know why. I don't see any particularly bad casting defect, although you can kind of tell there's a little pitting somewhat in the surface. But that shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, just right here through this particular screw hole, I got a lot of leakage, and I don't know why. Anyway, I whipped it off, put the old ATR back on. We'll see how that does.